Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5. Alright, let's begin. First of all, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5 could be a decent option if you live in a small apartment or flat with minimal cleaning needs. But there are some key limitations you should be aware of before making a decision. So first, let's talk about the suction power. The E5 robot has a maximum suction strength of around 2000 pascals, which isn't particularly powerful compared to other models on the market. This means while it can handle everyday dust and dirt, it might struggle with deeper cleaning tasks, especially on thicker carpets or homes with more dust. Now, if you're expecting a vacuum that can pull up stubborn debris or handle more intensive cleaning, you might find this model a bit lacking. Moving on to the battery life, this is another area where E5 falls short. So, it takes about 5 hours to fully charge, but you only get around 110 minutes of running time. While that can actually be enough for smaller spaces, it won't last long enough to clean larger homes in one go. As a comparison, the Robot E5, a similarly priced model, offers a 5200 mAh battery, which can keep going for much longer. Another important aspect is the water tank for mopping. With only 90 ml capacity, the water tank is quite small. Now, if you plan on using the mopping feature regularly, especially in larger areas, you'll likely need to stop and refill it pretty often. In this regard, it's clear that the E5 is not built for homes with a lot of floor space to cover. Now that being said, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5 does come with some good features for basic cleaning. It has a 400 ml dustbin, which is fairly large, so you won't have to empty it after every single cleaning session. It also includes a side brush, nozzle, and a triple filtration system, which are great for capturing smaller particles and providing clean hard floors and low-pile carpets. These features make it suitable for light daily maintenance. So overall, if you have a small flat, or if you're looking for a vacuum to handle lighter cleaning duties without breaking the bank, the Xiaomi E5 might be worth considering. Anyways, if you guys would like to check it out, its link is in the description. So that's basically all about the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.